In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send instant WhatsApp and SMS notifications for new invoices in Zoho Books. This can be incredibly useful for keeping your clients promptly informed about their invoices while streamlining your communication process. We'll walk you through the setup, ensuring you can easily connect your Zoho Books with WhatsApp and SMS services. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. It's important to sign in with your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once at the Zoho Books website, locate the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on it and make sure you enter your login information accurately to avoid any hiccups. After successfully signing in, you'll be greeted with the Zoho Books home dashboard. Here, you have access to a wealth of bookkeeping tools, but our focus right now is on getting those instant notifications set up. Look to the left side of your screen and find the settings option. It often appears near the bottom of the list, indicated by a gear icon. Clicking on it will direct you to a page with several settings categories. Next, within settings, you're going to find and click on integrations and marketplace. This is the section where Zoho Books allows you to link third-party applications and services, including those we're interested in today, like WhatsApp. It's an incredibly robust feature that opens up numerous possibilities for integrations. Once you're in, you'll see various integration options. Look for WhatsApp in the list. This is the tool we'll use to send those instant notifications. Click on WhatsApp to open its configuration settings. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Connect. By clicking this, you initiate the process of linking your WhatsApp account to Zoho Books. Following that, you should see an option specifically tailored to connect WhatsApp with Zoho Books. This is where things get exciting, as once connected, you'll be able to automate the notification process for any new invoices created in your Zoho Books account. Click on the Connect WhatsApp with Zoho Books option. Make sure you follow any additional prompts that may appear during the connection process. They might ask for permissions or verification steps to ensure your accounts are properly linked. Once you have gone through these steps, your setups for instant notification via WhatsApp and SMS are complete. Remember, with these integrations in place, you can keep your clients informed instantly, cutting down the time between invoice generation and client notification. This can significantly improve your service efficiency and client satisfaction, ensuring your business stays a step ahead. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more such insightful guides on optimizing your business processes with technology.